case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1980 landmark legal case, North American Soccer League, NASL, v. National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit made significant rulings that impacted labor relations within American sports practices, originating from accusations of NASL and its affiliated clubs refusing to negotiate with players who voted for representation. The case provided a firm test for the National Labor Relations Act's guarantee of employees' right to unionization and employers' duty to engage in collective bargaining. The tensions leading up to the lawsuit centered around the NASL's apparent violation of these rights, drawing the Players Association into action. They petitioned the NLRB to conduct a representation election, raising a major challenge against the league's resistance to collective bargaining. After obtaining player votes in favor of representation, the NLRB issued an order for mandatory collective bargaining, a decision that was met with continued opposition from the NASL and its clubs, prompting an appeal. This appeal, however, was not looked upon favorably by the Fifth Circuit Court. The decision by NLRB was upheld, with the court ruling that the NASL and its clubs indeed acted as joint employers. This pivotal verdict endorsed the establishment of a league-wide bargaining unit for players, validating the significant control the league exerted over essential labor relations, such as player contracts and disciplinary measures. Amidst concerns about due process and alleged competition between the league and clubs, the court reassured that there had been no infringement of due process rights involved. The court upheld the NLRB's decision that competition evidence as incidental and accordingly inadmissible. Eventually, the board's order to institute collective bargaining was enforced, creating a precedent in American sports, an unequivocal assertion of players' right to union representation. Hence, the final verdict from the United States Court of Appeals provided unequivocal reinforcement to the rights enshrined in the National Labor Relations Act, underlining the importance of the employee's right to unionize and the necessity for employers to engage in collective bargaining.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.